Annotto Bay in St. Mary Parish, Jamaica has a rich history rooted in Taino settlement, early Spanish presence and later British influence. The town's name, previously Gueguata by the Tainos, is thought to have been derived from the abundance of annotto trees in the area. Early Spanish settlements like the Melilla mentioned in the 16th century are believed to have been located near the present-day town, with the nearby Fort George and the golf course possibly built on Spanish foundation. Yes guys, big up on yourself. Yeah man, we're here again. Yeah man, welcome back to the channel. Yeah man, I am here with the #1 tour guide, Fire Reed. Yeah man. So guys, I want to big him up, big him up, see him there? Yeah man, I do for him thing to guys, so I don't know the things yet guys. So we are approaching the town of Annotto Bay now. Yeah man, over here on the right you have Mothers, the one I was telling you about earlier guys. This is the only fast food place or fast food joint I've seen which you can come and grab a good meal. Alright, so we have Annotto Bay tax office, which is next to Mothers. Yeah man, and over here we have the police station guys. Yep, so we are in the town of Annotto Bay. Guys, if you are a true Jamaican and you know the name of these flowers, let me know. Yeah man, because you don't know guys, Jamaica pretty, Yeah man, beautiful Jamaica. See all the birds them out there guys, on the move. Port Arthur Lane. This is what the town looks like guys. Over there we have the St. Mary Parish Court. Yes my boss man. Post office, Annotto Bay post office is over there on the right. Yes guys, most of the buildings here are very ancient and old. Yep. Right now we are at Annotto Bay Baptist Church. Yes guys, so the Annotto Bay Baptist Church was built in 1824 and was the first Baptist church constructed in the parish of St. Mary. The Baptist church movement has had a long and eventful history in Jamaica. This history dates back to the early 1780s with George Lely. Mr. Lely was formerly enslaved man from Atlanta, Georgia. Guys, Yeah man, it's a long story guys. I can't read everything for you right now. So stick and stay. Yeah. Big up the truck man them, big up the taxi man them for the road. Yeah man, we carry no go anywhere no want go. Yeah. Guys are over there so we get food. Over by the hot spot there. Yeah man. JN Loans. Yes guys, so in Annotto Bay here, as I was saying guys, in Annotto Bay here, they have a lot of Chinese supermarket. Yeah man, they have a lot of Chinese supermarket here. So anytime you come here and wish to buy your grocery, you can pick and choose which one to buy from. You understand guys, because they all have different prices. Yeah man, so over there Annotto Bay Methodist Church guys. Yep. They have Eagle Medical Laboratory. As I'm saying guys, most of the buildings here are very ancient. We have a hydrant here. Big up to all the firefighters them. They are doing a great job. Yeah man, so guys, anytime when you see the firefighters them on the road, you don't know, so you have to respect them, you know? Yes one. So over there we have a ATM machine. Yeah man, we have hardware as well guys. Yeah man. A lot of variety store as well. Pharmacy. Guys, over here we have Annotto Bay Primary School. Yeah man. Guys, when you don't know, you know, hard work is the key to success. So when you come to school, just come in, put in the work. Whatever you come in and take in, that's what you leave with. Understand? So we're at Fort George Road now. Yeah man. Guys, if I read there, you know, yeah man, I'm going and do him thing. Yeah guys, if I read there, you know, me and him there out today. We don't know anything go. Fire read.
Yeah man, so big up, I want to say thanks to my eyes and ears, you know. Because this man take me out of the place and say, yo, we're going to go on a journey and we're going to set here and Annotto Bay. I was so thankful for this trip. Yeah man, so big up yourself, me out, and love what we are doing. And my people, hear me, each one help one, so subscribe to the channel. We're up on a journey, so we want to get monetized, and so give us so much time and subscribe to the thing, you know. So big up on our watch them again. One love and one heart.
All the best, yeah man. Respect for your
you know?
Yeah man. Yes guys, so we did hear the big boss, you know, fire read, you know. Yeah man, so we're back on the journey. So we have a delivering gospel hall here. Yeah man. Yes guys, so see the man them there, we are keep the place clean, you know. But guys, I'm a flowers lover and see it right here. Yeah man. Nice flowers boys. So big respect and enough respect to the man them we are cleaning up the place, you know guys. The man, car without the men them cleaning up the place, you know, don't know things would look good too. Yeah man. Big up all the police officers them in the building too. Yes guys. Annotto Bay place of praise sanctuary, the United Pentecostal Church. So guys, to the church I go hot, you know. Yeah man. have an electoral office of Jamaica here. Yes guys, so you don't know, you know, this is where the town ends, you know. Yeah man, so we are going on a bridge now. Yeah man, we're going to show now we're going over the bridge guys. The river goes into the sea. Yeah man, and here we have a tire shop right here. So if you want to deb out on a tire burst or something, you can come and get a tire fix. Yeah man. Yes guys, so see a diver in the water there. I look for crayfish guys. So we're at the bridge now guys, that leaves the town of Annotto Bay. Man, see the town there, they're down there so guys. Yeah man, nice place, you know. Yes guys, so I've just spoken to a gentleman, wish not to be on camera. He said that this is the old train bridge. The train line is on it, so here is where the train travels. Yeah man, guys, on the other side of the road we have the water where the sea and the river meets up. Yeah man, nice guys, very nice. Tell me no, Jamaica man, me telling you about Jamaica, so Jamaica nice guys. Yep. Yes guys, so I'm gonna close out the video now, you know, but guess what? Me can't close it out without fire raid. So fire raid, what you say?
Yeah man, thank you all for watching the channel, and remember to subscribe to My Eyes Are Yours. You're gonna get some epic content, you know. So remember to click the like button, free of cost. Big thumbs up. Peace and out.
Alright, my general, big up.
Yeah,
Alright guys, so there you have it. Yeah man, we tour the town of Annotto Bay in St. Mary. Yeah man, so I want to know the guys, like, comment, share and subscribe. Tell a friend to tell a friend. Big up everyone. Big up, big up to my loyal subscribers then. And guys, whenever you feel like you want a video, you just let me know what kind of video you want. Send in a request guys, send in the request. Yeah man, because I don't know things yet guys. We are do it for you know. We are do it for you. So, enough love. Big up, take care of yourself, all the best, one love, God's love.